Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We are the Jamaica Young Police channel. We do not want the criminal supporters on their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video. Yeah, so as we continue the journey with this this man, we know, was telling us that Isiah Laing, that you're gonna hear him say that Isiah Laing is a criminal and Harry Bungles, and you're gonna hear it for yourself, and the alleged business connections to Christopher Dudus Coke and Justin Ogilvy, and the the iconic Jamaican music events thing, and his connection with them. You're going, this man is just telling us as it is, but we're at the Jamaica Young Police channel. We still have to educate people because that's what it's all about here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. This is part 2 of 2. Hope you enjoy the series. No, yeah. Anyway, listen.
And liberate the criminals to not just PNP, alright?
No, man. The biggest.
From a man that grew up in a PNP neighborhood.
No, I see the reason why you said that and them thing there because you're a dummy. You don't read either. So that's what. Alright.
Same thing, big man.
Alright, may I ask? Okay, alright, you said. Alright, may I ask you now? Just listen, man. Listen to me, I say. May I ask you something on them thing there? May I tell? Hello. Listen to me, I say. Listen to me, I say on them thing there. Because you born and grown in a PNP community like me. Me can't think. You can't think.
But it's not a PNP. It's not a labor right either.
Me not busy where you want to be on them thing there. Me a Jamaican. Listen to me, I say on them thing there. And let me ask you this. Because you say both of them are the same. Can you name one judge where the labor right them kill a Jamaica? Just tell me a name of a judge where them kill a Jamaica. The labor right them. Tell me one judge.
But to be honest,
me not ask about that's not politics. That is not politics. That is history.
Crime. Me don't know of any.
You don't know of any. Okay, all right. So that I PMP them kill one judge when he Derek Hugh, and it was done on behalf of a man when he done. Me not even. You notice me not even use the word allege. I tell you, it was done on behalf of a man when he Danai Williams. That's a thing that come from one of the boy were dead.
Danai Williams, the big PNP brother.
Yes, man. Him will collect how much billions dollars from PMP. Same as the Operation Pride, and him don't even be like hot. And him got a quote and get away and them thing. Billions, cause him
Danai Williams and the brother named King Down and my friend and all them people.
Then all of them the PMP, man.
Yeah. A big criminal.
All right, so yeah, and I tell you now, the boy when named Lukey Campbell, where that was killing a Pegasus in a concrete jungle. Before Lukey Campbell dead, Lukey Campbell tell people on the building say Adonai Williams sent him and Trevor Bulgin Bennett go kill the judge. And a police, yes man, I tell you, and a policeman, a so-called PMP police where PJ Patterson, the defense for charge of murder. One police where them call Glenroy Zuki Clark. Yes, them say him allegedly drive the vehicle where carry the man them will kill the judge. A policeman do it. So that's why I'm asking them, can you name one judge where labor right them kill? You said the two of them are criminal. We don't dispute that, But me I tell you so why the PMP is a criminal organization. Can you name one judge where PMP labor right them kill?
I don't know if
All right. Can you name who you know about a man named Douglas Chambers, who them killed in 2008?
I heard the name Douglas. Yep.
Okay, he was you know that killing it could it was a council brother from Spanish Town and Brown brother, Short brother, and this was all of the thing, the meeting was done in at first. People are gonna hear this. It happened in a Luton Fire studio in a De La Vega City, where them plan to kill Douglas Chambers. Did I at the time? Yeah. Anyway, you need to read still, look, you understand? Stop repeat things. In case you do not know them thing, you see the LGBTQ thing where you talk about, it has nothing to do with black people or white people thing. You remember this? You remember this brother who come from Ohio when he
the black people mix up the night.
No, them use black people. Them use black people forget the black people. If you look here,
yeah, they want the votes and all that.
Yeah, no, look here. I don't know votes and them thing there. Hey, look here. Of all of the people them in the world, you know, we are the most hated people, you know. We all, not we. Some will love the people them are oppressed with. You understand? It's just simple as that. The LGBTQ plus thing where I go on with them thing, it has nothing to do with black people. White people can't win. And that's why they might tell us, a man can be a woman can be a man. A madness that. Both of them.
Jamaica too.
Which part of Jamaica that there? Which man of Jamaica? No, which man? No, well, look here. Between me and the whole world come from Jamaica. We know say you have rear admiral in every community and anything. And nobody not kill them. So where man feel like most of them are rear admiral. Cause
from Black Rose's crew.
Who that?
One time, they kill him. I think I read it on the news. They kill him at Florida.
They're not kill Black Roses. Where you get that? Black Roses are.
From the I read it on the name.
Radigan come from the Black Rose. Radigan come from Black Roses school.
I think I'm from Maxfield.
Oh, Sunlight Street, California. Them kill him.
Yeah, we're brother named Speedy, a good friend.
Yeah, but anyway, you need to educate yourself still, though. You know, stop repeat.
So you know that there is.
Yeah, stop repeat what people tell you.
Keep up the good work here, son. Yeah, but I think one time a little man call and trick me like, whoa. But you know, madman that, right?
I know what. I know him alone. A whole heap of people trick me and everything.
But you know, the brother trick you all like this and that. You know that's a madman, right?
I don't know, you know, because I'm a doctor. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe you tell the man is a madman that man is thinking ahead, but you can't take the chance to them, you know?
Well, I know him alone. Then you know, say 2 weeks ago, your opposition leader, Mark Bolin, out by Rockford. Mark Bolin asked people out of Rockford if they want them to kill me and them thing there. And the man them out of Rockford. Yeah, man. I tell you, man them out of Rockford tell him, say, if you kill that the man there, you bring the federal government for you, because the man work for Uncle Sam, the man they are big in farmer, the man them tell you. So you know what, yeah, man, Mark Bolin. You see him big belly white.
You know what Jamaican thing anyway, so I mean.
Oh, you mean me not got why? Why me not? So which farm band? Why me not forgot down there?
No, I'm actually probably more than pride, you know.
No, man. Mr. Him have him surrogate, him have him criminal them up here and them thing there. You understand? But you don't know, so we are not idiot and them thing there. Because we are big informer. You understand? We are big informer in America. Because we work for Uncle Sam. We not stop being no informer because we don't like criminal.
That's a bold statement, girl.
So you don't like informer? You don't know so over here, so we love informer. You don't love informer?
Well, yeah, no.
No, tell me about no well. Is it that yes or no?
People never tell what.
Well, no, me never ask you that. Me say, no, me ask if you no love informer. Me love informer. Me a informer. Me a biggest informer on YouTube. You no love informer?
Oh, you might ask about yourself still, you know?
Me ask if you no love informer. No, me ask you again if you love informer. Me love. No, listen to me I say. No, listen to me I say. No, listen to me I say, man. Me love informer. Me biggest informer on YouTube. What about you? You love informer?
No, the problem is informer.
So you will be an informer too if needs be.
Absolutely, because a man murder a man, you can do bullshit all day.
Okay, alright. Cause we love, you know, so we love informer over here, so you know that.
I mean, I know it's going to hear this, I know, but I mean,
yeah, man.
People need to tell, but people scared to tell now still, you know? Yeah?
Well, if anybody afraid to tell the police them nothing, just tell me, because I'm the biggest informer. Me tell the police them. Me an informer. Me one of the baddest informer. If you can't be no police and you're an informer. If you're a police and an informer, you're a criminal, you're not feel with the police. And me was a police and them thing, so me a big informer, me a proud informer too.
But tell me something though.
Yes.
The man we go on and we toward you. I see them serious and them just take it personal.
Oh.
Ignorance that's in a big man.
Why, if you man them want to kill me?
Yeah.
Oh, no, the truth, them want me shut up, man, because I talk the truth. Just like how you are tell me, say both political party, I see, I tell you, say, Labour, the man I see him, because they never kill no judge. The Labour, they never kill no government official, and we PMP alone do it. So that's why I tell you, say, PMP is a criminal organization. That's a reason why I call him that. Hey, look here, I can't tell you about Tivoli Garden now. Anything when I tell about Tivoli Garden and them places, I want me hear, I want me know from intelligence as a police. When I tell about PMP, them I talk about from personal experience, what I have seen, heard and felt. They are the one that issue guns in my community, M16s and 9mm pistol and 38. To go kill people down Arima, kill at least 200 people to make Tony Spalding maintain power.
Yeah, it's terrible, but it's sad, but you know.
Yeah, but you need to educate yourself more, boy. You may tell us say you're way out there, you know. Way out.
But listen, make sure you vote for Camilla. I think Camilla can win still, but
make sure me vote. No. Hey, look here. You know, why? Hey, look. You know about Project 25? Project 2025?
no.
You see, man. So you know what? You know, read or watch news and them thing there.
News, I have a lot of misinformation there.
All right. You need to go and read Project 2025.
I do need to read more though, but because I work and them things, I get caught in my system at work.
What kind of work you do?
I can't tell you what I work with the man. I work with the FBI, man. Yeah, but I'm busy at work, you know?
You couldn't work with the FBI and so ignorant. I tell you that. Because you have to have knowledge about everything. You have to work, you understand what I'm saying? To work with that agency. You can't be that ignorant and all them things and you know, and dumb down yourself, you know what I'm saying? Everything you repeat about what you hear and everything. You have to read. You have to love read.
The wise man listen, you see that? The brothers are listen to you, you know what I say? The wise man listen, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
But the greatest thing is to know, you know. But listen, man, keep up the good work you are doing. I'm the man exterior, you know, because you're a top shot still, so you don't have to worry yourself, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we can't protect myself. Yeah, man. That's it,
man. You're a top shot like you're still, because you're not Florida, so Florida's a gun state, you know, so you can walk with your thing all the time. But that's peace and love, brother, here, sir.
Alright, my boss. Blessed love, man. I'll do some more reading here.
Yeah, man, I read the Marcus Garvey, man. I really need to.
Alright, my brother, cool,
take some time and start read a book a day. A book a week, you know what I mean?
Alright, my boss. Alright, and call me and let me know until you do it and everything, alright?
Yeah, man, respect, yeah?
Alright.
When I for your video channels, give up, listen to you more time.
Oh, you're not on Patreon?
No, I'm going to pay that, $7.
Yeah. You have to call it that and everything, $6.99.
Yeah, I'm not really watching video. I don't have time for that, because I work night time.
I just saw it going and thing there, but you know, if you want, as I say, if you want to know more things, you go up this one and thing there. Because we are going to drop all that video and them thing there, where intimate and them thing there, where I tell you, you got to hear about, when I talk about feelings, you know, we are telling about eyewitness, you got to hear about police, criminality, police commit robbery, murder, and all kind of things. You got to hear about Mark Shields, or them man that protect criminal at Jamaica. You see white man and them thing there. You got to hear a whole heap of things.
But that's how the thing is Mark Shields. Well, not a Jamaican.
Well, I saw it go on them thing there. You're going to hear that. You're going to hear that.
That don't make no sense. A white man from England.
I saw it go on them thing, the corruption.
To human rights have too much talk at Jamaica.
Well, them kind of shut up now on them thing. Because you have people like we are there to keep them. Because look here. Let me tell you something. In case you don't know, you have criminal out there and them thing there, you know. We eat the same human rights group people them, you know. And look, and guess what? Between me and you, the same criminal them, you know. We eat them, you know, because because of them, the human rights people make for them friend. Them want to know which part them live to, you know. I tell you, you know. I tell, you see a woman named Michael Jackson. You know how much criminal because she have license gun. She and the woman named Dana Scott Matley. Criminal one to know which part them live, you know. Because them want them gun, you know. And which part them officer downtown, you know. Yeah. But I mean, I tell you, boy, I think people going to so much fun there to meet and people need to do it. Oh, you mean people don't want I know that. The reason why cause them want feed them family to feel what them go through as criminal. They make them feel it. I tell you, criminal want to know which part. I tell you, criminal want to know which part that they want to know Donna Scotland Matley yard or address. Cause them want her, you know, them want her office, the address. That's easy. That's not hard to know. Easy enough to know. Well, and everybody really that savvy and them thing there, you understand? But them want we forgive them and them thing there. And we tell them so we can't give them, we're not gonna do that to them thing there. But them want it because them want them gun and them thing there, and they want all our son gun. And them want them to feel what it feel when people kill for your family. She and Michael Jackson, the woman named Michael Jackson fan job. You see a woman named Caroline Goops. I tell you say you see a boy there, she white. Boy, them I tell you them thing there. You understand? Boy. You think you might get past the brother with killing boy? Sylvia? I'm shooting her in her pum pum. You think you might get that? Why? Hey, anything up there? Anything can happen in Jamaica, you know? Because Jamaica, remember say, hey, look here, we live in a corrupt system, you know. Worldwide, you know. You see? You understand? Trinity kill him wife and get her, remember? Who that? Police Trinity. Oh, when him kill her Princess. Yeah, and get off with that. So I mean, but if him then kill Princess, you'd have kill him and them thing there. But him then deliberately kill her, you know. Cause she not come to her and them fire a shot, and they shot ricochet and kill her, you know. He never deliberately for shoot her and them thing there. Fire the shot for scare her, but she ain't afraid of him because she a corrosion. I saw it going in married to corrosion. When you have police and them thing there, deep, you know mix up with corrosion and corrobonkers. But true Trinity are corrosion himself. You understand? That's why I mix up with she. That peer gunman that the girl did there with, you know, Princess, you know. Trinity not top gunman, man. No, I was police and them thing there. Trinity, why all man to be gunman and man a police? So what that's about Isiah Laing then? Isiah Laing a criminal. Why you say Isiah Laing a criminal? Tell me now. I can't get into that, but no, I mean you can't. Now tell me. Laing a criminal. Tell me. Bungus are criminal. Alright, we know that, but tell me why you say Isiah Laing a criminal. Me know for your facts say Bungus are criminal, because I used to work with him. And you don't think Isiah Laing a criminal? Me not talk about think, man, and you are tell me you say I'm a criminal, and I ask you, oh, you know say I'm a criminal. Tell me. You can't tell me know that, but you tell us I'm a criminal. Why you can't tell? So alright, you know what you tell me say Harry Bungus are criminal, and I tell you, yes, me used to work with him and I'm a criminal for sure. He's not convicted for no crime, but me can't tell you say I'm a criminal. No, I'm not. Yeah, but he's a criminal, he have criminal tendency and he commit crimes. Me know that for a fact. Harry Bungus are criminal. Just like Jamaica history of police. Just like Renita. No, tell me about no. Hello. No, you say Isiah Laing a criminal. So tell me why you say I'm a criminal. What kind of evidence will you have? What knowledge you have about it? Yeah, the police statistics from me. No, and the police statistics. But look here, are you share things with me and them things? So me don't know all that are police statistics. We have a conversation. Right. So just like how you tell me, you say Bungus is a criminal, and I say yes, I agree with you. Because me know that for a fact. Me know that for a fact. Me used to work at Harry Bungus at Hunsby and I'm a criminal. I tell you, Harry Bungus get paid from Skendang to kill a boy named Ian Masco from Penwood Road, because them did know say the FBI the FBI investigate him, and him know Ian Masco, them fee say Ian Masco will give him up Skendang and our next brother when he Money Mike, so them they want to kill him. Can I ask you one question? I get out of food. No, tell me about Isiah Laing. You tell me about Isiah Laing. You say I'm a criminal. Tell me. No, tell me. You know eagle fly with eagle, right? No, yes, but tell me about Isiah Laing. May I ask you one question? No, before you ask it, no man, before you ask me. Most they are criminals too, right? Yeah, so tell me about Isiah Laing, what you know about him? Be well if you get out of it, here. Keep up the good work and let the man him scared down here, so keep fighting. Okay? Oh, no man, I'm gonna get alone with you. How much time make you handed? One time. Right. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, just keep up there.
Oh, so you're afraid of Laing then, man?
No, man.
Yeah, man, you're afraid of Laing. So, you not afraid of Bungus? Because Bungus more dangerous. Bungus dangerous. Because Bungus aligned with clansman and one another.
They fear God.
No, Laing. But Laing no affiliate with no gang. But Bungus affiliate. Laing affiliate with all the man at Tivoli, Matches Lane. Laing no affiliate with no gang and them thing where you can point and say, boy, the man are Laing friend.
You know, Dudus and Laing are big friend.
Dudus and Laing are big friend.
You never know that?
No, you are telling me no know at first, may I hear that? Dudus.
You're intelligent, man. You're supposed to know that.
Dudus. No, man. Dudus and Laing are friend. Are you for tell? Because Catburn Pen you come from, you know, tell me how you know that. Huh?
But never eat dinner now. Just keep up the good work here, sir.
But I don't believe you still though. I like you tell Pan Laing, say man, Dudus a friend. I don't believe what you say them things. You better say, you know, better say some say boy, Iman skin, you know, say Iman you know, Money Mike and them man, they are friend and them thing, but not Dudus and them thing.
No, let me your boy, man, here.
Laing for be my boy. When Laing a policeman, or if you call the big man boy, Laing a senior man for me and them thing as police. Or if you say boy, Laing a my boy. Laing a my boy, man. Don't say that, man. This the man, and me. I would never go tell nobody say nobody are my boy. Even if me even old on them.
Laing's a good guy still, you know?
So you would dry your statement now. You're not selling a team.
No, still a criminal, but still a good guy still.
Me don't know no good criminal, sir.
Huh?
I don't know no good criminal. That's your statement is contradictory.
Okay. You know next friend TT, you know TT?
Union TT.
You know TT?
Union TT.
Laing Bridget. On the Laing Bridget.
No, sir, I don't know. Who is he?
Big man, I look over here.
May I ask you who is TT?
Hey, I'm out here. Nice talking to you, man.
Alright, sir, cool.
Alright, bless up here.
Yeah, man, cool. Alright.
Alright, simplify, man. But you was the Marine in me, in the army. Alright?
No, you see, you listen, but you're not grasping me. Never in the army.
You was a Marine, yeah. Alright, get there.
Me never in the army either.
Alright?
Simplify, you know what simplify mean?
Do or die, man.
I say you're the man, you know, he's telling me about simplify, you know, and you know, telling me that I was in the army. I was never in the army. I was in the Navy, and the Navy and the Marine. We in the military, them say that we are the transport. You know, we on the ship we carry them. We take them anywhere they want to go, and then drop them on the land, and we stay on the sea. And you know, the best warriors them in the military are the Navy SEALs, SEAL Team 6. You understand? I was a part of the Navy. Get to one of the best training at Yakima, Washington. The Navy SEALs are located out of Coronado, in San Diego. I used to station in San Diego. You understand? So this man is telling you about simplify, and simplify is short for semper fidelis, a Latin phrase meaning always faithful or always loyal. So you hear what I'm saying? So you know you have some people in them sound intelligent and sound bright and they must dunce. So it is a motto used in the United States Marine Corps and signify the lifelong commitment and loyalty that Marines pledge to their country, meaning the United States of America, their Corps and each other. So this motto embodies the values of honor, courage and commitment that are central to the Marine Corps ethos. So you know that in our Navy now and them thing, we use a thing when you honor, courage and commitment, which is a part of the Marine Corps ethos. The Navy, yeah, most people don't know them thing. The Navy and the Marine, them have the same secretary. Yeah, Secretary of the Navy. The Marine are the only branch where the Marine is like a stepchild of the Navy. Everything the Marine have to go through the Navy. And the Marine, them hate that, you know, from when them try to get them own secretary of the Marine. The Air Force have them own secretary, the Army have theirs. The Marine, the Navy don't want to go after the Marine because they are the one that provide transport to them. You understand? But the Marine, so everything with the Marine, and I can tell you this, whether or not you want to believe it, them treat some of the Marine them really bad. Yeah, especially when them get injured. I just saw it go on them thing. all politics and one and two little things. So have yourself a nice day. So just enjoy and listen to what we are saying after the conversation with this man. You watch, you listen, and you decide. You're going to hear how we address this thing. Yeah, so we have reached to the end of this conversation with this man. Telling us about so many. We have spoke of so many things. But you say knowledge is power. So when you don't read as black people, that's why you're going to become an organic robot and a mouthpiece of these people. So you hear this black man who lives in America. He doesn't even know that the Republican Party is the Democratic Party of yesteryears, the same ones that used to lynch black people, the same ones who have the insurrection, yes, in Colfax, Louisiana, where they kill over 300 black people, and the same one who have the insurrection in Wilmington, North Carolina, where they kill over 3,300 black and white people. These are the same people who claim that they are Christians. They are the same ones today who are in the Republican Party. So these people are not, whether or not you want to believe it, these people are not your friends. And I'm telling you, as black people, as he has rightfully says that the Democratic Party, some people would call it the Democratic Party, they're just as evil as the Republican, but it's like people that say, boy, I better have both evils. One of them, I don't know, but you have to understand, sir, the devil is the art of confusion. So that's where you get all of these things where they have to say, man can be woman and woman. All of these things, they have nothing to do with black people. It's white people thing. It have nothing to do with all of them things. The LGBTQ plus thing is white people. Remember, if you go back even in the Bible, these were the people who want to challenge God. You understand? When we say on earth, remember, you as we stated already, I'll leave in a Bujubantan series that God had chased Satan out of heaven and Satan and chased him down to earth. They have to understand, not because you see nobody with the hand and this and that, and if you remember, if you are an average student of the Holy Bible, you would know that Satan was a very beautiful angel, and you understand what I'm saying. So if you go back to the Bujubantan thing, you will hear that maybe we tell you in the next video and repeat it to you so you learn. Because over here, sir, and entertainment, I will realize that most people, especially black people, love entertainment. Black people don't like knowledge. So everything them like is what them hear. And anything that you have heard here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you can repeat it anywhere in the world because it's gospel, it's the truth. We're not saying things to brainwash anyone. We're educating you. And we don't mince word for any political party because we are not beholden to anyone. You understand? Whether or not you want to believe it, you have to understand it's the same people since the death of Jesus Christ, over 2000. These are the same people who are still in charge of the system. At one time, our ancestors were back in Europe. That's why them said that here we are going. Most black people don't even know that. Now the Italians, you have the governor of Florida, Ron DeSantis. Ron DeSantis is not a white man. Yes, Italians are not considered white, Spanish, and Irish. These three people, and the Jews. But yet, all of these people now, them come up and, I wish people them hate black people. Because everybody was classified as black people. The NAACP wasn't formed. It was formed for everyone. The Italian, Irish, the Irish, and the Spanish. Spanish wasn't so much, because the Spanish never have fight for the white, that was since of late. And the Jews to have some form of freedom in America. And some art, and gets the kind of respect where human being get. And then the white man give them and say, well, you see black people, them, you oppress them. So that's why we are at this juncture. Nobody like black people, but black people always love everyone. But if you see knowledge is power, and if you don't educate yourself by reading and pass it on to your children, you're not going to know all of these things. So that's why you hear this man repeat nonsense, I Republican free black people. That the Republican then are the Democrat Party after the day. Yes, I just saw it go. You have to understand how the split and the hatred. The reason why the split is the hatred toward black people and the insurrection. And the federal government was apartheid. You know about our Black Wall Street. So you have to understand, I see people them again, jealousy towards black people. Black people are being successful. Them hate black people create their own community. I say, alright, we don't have nothing to do with it, we don't hate we have our own community. Them never like that how the black people them live. So them them attack the black people them and destroy them community. Over 100 years, and people are just over 2 years ago. Most Americans know about it. This is something that was in a history books in a university then, but guess what? You have to understand, say, in America, the media houses, are not the enemy, are the enemies of the poor. Whether or not you want to believe it. Kind of bother if you say the media house look out for you, the poor people. Poor black or white people. They are there to oppress you, to maintain the status quo. Our rich people control own all of these cable news and everything there. None of them now look out for you. So when you are watching news, you have to watch it with a grain of salt and you have to learn to dissect things. Understand the nuances of things that is happening around you. So we just hope you enjoy listening to this man. Some of the things that you did not hear, the reason is that we had some problem with the recording during the conversation, and we lost like about maybe 6 or 7 minutes, you understand, to get everything. So some of the things as you heard we mentioned in the beginning of the video, we lost it. It was lost during the recording. We never delete it because you understand, as the man says that him said that Isiah Laing was in business with Christopher Dudus school. We have no information of the same. And say last year, him say, you hear me? Him say with all of them information, they will lose it in the record. Him say that Justin O'Gively from Tivoli Gardens was instrumental in promoting this thing. With him say we don't know information about that. And I tell him, say yes, because so I say Laing our boy. I tell him, say Laing is not our boy, because Laing a big man for we and Laing a police before we. You understand? And you hear him on and on. But we can say we cannot in good conscience, we cannot validate what he says about Isiah Laing. We have no information about that. We have never, even when we are police officer, we have never heard of Isiah Laing and Christopher Dudus spoke in business or friends. We have heard of other people who are in a front business, not only for Dudus, but other people, even Zeeks. Yeah, we know of people like who have front business, like whether not you want to believe it, we ever tell you about a man who have big business right now for Donald Zeeks Phipps, big man at Jamaica, and that man is just a front. So you have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.